Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to replace Pantum P3010DW printer toner TL410H toner. So stay tuned. First, we will remove from the printer, and here you see the lock. I will just press the lock and it will remove easily. You press and turn it. Here you see. You will just replace the same way. Just wait and see and do after washing. Here you see that ink, but other printer toner have no ink outside of the roller, but this toner have ink outside of the roller. So I will insert it. Just press and fit it clearly. Here you see. After doing that, you will insert toner. Remember that any kinds of parts depart from the printer or any other device before you turning off the device, and after that you will turn on. The printer is ready for use. Try to print. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.